Many in Komaka no chamfoni e ma e wa santimantemu e pese ehu de ekoso e wo parliament and no pay parliament members of parliament ba asetna. I mean the interest is that yehwe ha wa niam besi akọ the last time parliament ekọ asetna no eno na ma speaker ejina so e dey agene sitting indefinitely. Many Crosby Annan command pay. Binia otimi kan sa apomboko de already I mean some pictures and videos from the dome. I mean parliament almost asitna omo konne. But infonia betime chama and opesi very important. That dey cost of parliament.
Upa Accra International Conference Center Upa dome na e baby a parliament etna nansen etan say a year renovation our main parliament house. Uba a sitting enyan shasye aka bare minute at the 9:40 minutes at 10 o'clock and I expect to say sitting will start. Nemo between on the nim the boy since Baba has a year NDC she said there on year majority side of parliament or more the brain the camba with the many who NDC MPs bare 40 or 50 or what the kind about parliament about bare 830 na bebre na wa ha into by now there 40 and 50 that's so ha omo abano omo akotna speaker and start nifa on the right side of the speaker now upper Ghana parliament as well we can send nifa no na say majority no etna and pen bebre na so the majority will sit on the right side of the speaker na I say the dom kumano atna speaker and start being come so if any MPs now for speaker and send the person now my country also say MPs no me who be a parliament yet omunya emma yes in the parliament you say there NDC MPs now for speaker and nifa so majority leader to forcing deputy majority leader Emmanuel Makosibwa and the leadership of the majority and some members of the majority me pass NDC for no omo betina speaker and nifa so omo didn't come on no omo chema sitting asafia
na mpacho the MPP side no so omo way
omo nyama omo niha omo ni dobo okay say answer now speaker ebe adjourn the house indefinitely we're recalling it and then no obekaya leader of the NPP group Alexander Peyo marking addressing media no the address no or can say a mom say they are not the minority omunye dom kuma ntinya dia on the parliament mo betina speaker and saben kumza be dom kuma netina no ebia eno ntina omomaye na yeni madensi omomaye ye ko no be try reason nti omomaye uze eno speaker ni conference SC ne kana say a year for MPs, declare almost seat vacant, so their seat remain vacant. Just say Supreme Court ruling is speaker or more and yarding. The NDC is one of the speaker ruling no say normal and say your mother it's your mother parliament, but MPs is one of the Omunya Emedru yet.
I see, but security to say, I mean, you heard the last time speaker journey sitting no na security was an issue, very tight security. But you say no sign na etie would the way no compare the see the last time or no? I mean at the same
would we no compare last time na way no baby away as a regular day in parliament.
Okay.
Marshals no have police worker crowd will have ambulance will have fire service normal. So for now, I'm about the last time the speaker journals, Minya who social media will have, Minya who soldier for car be will have, and that the marshals a police for them the governor waiting that proceedings will begin when the speaker comes to the house, and then maybe the house will be able to get enough numbers to take decisions or to do government business.
Yeah, ma yemfa wonsi I'm sure say ebrepam ye besa bani aba be share if say update bi ho ade be ma ye ne a we'll come back na anyway din come. Thank you very much.